Hello, I'm Sarah Jackman Reid and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts. Today I'd like to show you how to decorate West Design A5 sketchbooks with Plastikote metallic sprays. First of all, I'm going to create a stencil, and I've done that by using some of the capsule textured cardstock, or any cardstock you've got is absolutely fine, but I've used the capsule textured cardstock. Now I've cut this the same size as the front of my notebook, and what I've done is I've created a very basic design using the X-cut circle nesting dies, and I've just cut all over the die, all over the paper, just to create my design. So it's a very simple idea, and there's a really clever way of making this into a sticker so it will stick on the front of your book. What I've used is the Sailor 2-in-1 rolling ball glue pen, and if you go round all the circles and round the edges and leave it to dry, it creates a sticker so you can take it on and off the front of your notebook, so you can use it time and time again. So if you were going to make some notebooks to sell at a craft fair, you could use this stencil many times and spray through it. So that's our first design. And I'm going to use a aqua West Design A5 sketchbook for this, and all I need to do is place it over the top, and it just sticks on nicely. And as you can see, you can easily remove it. It's very clever, this glue, but just make sure that when you use it that you just leave it to dry. It doesn't take very long. So that's that one there. And then for the second notebook, I've created my own stencil, again using some capsule cardstock. This time I've cut it slightly bigger than the A5 size, and I've used a template, and I've basically drawn around my template onto my card and then cut all the way around and created my design. And then we end up with our design like so. And again, go round it all with your Sailor 2-in-1 pen, leave it to dry, and we have our template. So this time I have got a raspberry A5 sketchbook. I'm going to pop that on there. So for this notebook, I'm going to use the Plastikote Brilliant Metallic Copper Spray. This one is a lovely colour. It's almost like a sort of rose gold. So before we use it, we need to give it a good shake. Make sure it's perfectly mixed up. Now before you spray this, make sure you cover your work surface, and also make sure that the room is very well ventilated. So open all your windows, or if you want to, you could use it outside. Just make sure you put down something to protect the area. And then we just literally go through you want to sort of go right above it and just gently spray it. You don't need a lot, so if you did want, you could cover lots and lots of notebooks with this. So just very carefully spray it. And this is dry within 10 minutes maximum. So touch dry very quickly. So we'll go that way, and then just to make sure we've got an even design, we'll just spray the other way as well. Okay, so that's our first design. Take that off. As you can see, you can use that again. And there we have our first design. And now the second one, I'm going to use the Plastikote Metallic Gold Spray. So again, good shake. Very gently build up the colour. There we go. And then we'll peel that off. And we've got some cute polka dots on that one. So I hope you've enjoyed those projects today, and I hope you can join me again very soon.